So that's how you complete the IVOC process. Go to where your prospects hang out online, record what they say that relates to the topic you're writing about, condense what gets said into simple summaries, and keep a record of how frequently they get mentioned. If you do that, you'll be ready to create a solid profile of your target reader and craft an emotionally compelling idea that will appeal to them.
But first, there's a question we need to ask, and maybe it's something you've already been thinking. Why don't we just use AI for all of this?
Because using AI misses the point of research. Research is not a game of destinations, it's a game of journeys.
In other words, simply having a load of pages filled with IVOC summaries isn't the only purpose of conducting research.
You will find that as you go through the research process, you will pick up general sentiments your market has that are hard to put into words. You will imbibe the vocabulary they use and the references they make. You will find the diamonds in the rough that may spark inspiration for a fantastic idea.
But you miss out on all of that if you just put a few prompts into an AI software and kick back with a 20-page document full of words that you didn't find yourself.
Are we saying you shouldn't use AI for anything ever? No. Maybe there are some applications you'll find it useful for, but it should never replace you for the most fundamental parts of your copywriting, deciding what to write and actually writing. Your best results will almost always come from you genuinely thinking about what might work best and working your hardest to make it a reality.